From News Channel 5 Weather, I'm meteorologist Lelan Statom. Keeping our eye on several disturbances moving through, triggering rain and thunderstorms in the Mid-South. Now, when one or two of those develop, they may be on the strong side. Here we go with the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. That is for today, and they continue that risk tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be a widespread severe weather event, but where they develop, some of those may be strong, especially with strong winds and heavy rain and downpours. So here's the exact track for the afternoon hours. More showers and thunderstorms developing. We've got a very rich environment right now as far as moisture is concerned. So as these disturbances kind of parade through the area from time to time, they interact with that moisture, giving us the rain and thunderstorms. Clouds may be a bit thicker at times for tomorrow. Still could see some sunshine. We'll need that to get us near the mid-80s tomorrow afternoon. But again, rain developing over parts of the Mid-South, and that rain chance will continue as we work our way into the weekend ahead. Right now, I don't think any weekend day will be a washout, but rain threat there Saturday and Sunday. So upper 80s to around the 90-degree mark for us for the afternoon. Meanwhile, for tomorrow, we're at 86, 87 Saturday, 88 on Sunday. Still rain chances holding on for Monday and Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Lelan Statom. Have a good afternoon.